Thank
Mike,
you.
how you doing?
Good. Thanks for coming today. Wanted to ask you some questions. First of all, let's get started casually. Where are you guys both from?
I'm from Palos Verdes originally. Lived in LA my whole life. Love traveling and getting out of LA, but this is my home and I love it. I went to UCLA for undergrad, USC for grad school, so yeah.
Yeah, I grew up in Claremont down here and then went up to school in Santa Cruz and then moved to San Francisco and brewed at Speakeasy up there for 9 years and then just moved back down to start Common Space with these guys. So sort of a return to home.
Very cool. What inspired the name of Common Space?
Just a place to come together, share a beer. Beer is community and Common Space is a lot about giving back. And I don't know, when we sort of interviewed each other for this before we started up the company, we just spent the whole time talking about building good company culture and having a place where the employees feel really valued and enjoy their work. And I think all of that kind of goes into what Common Space means to us.
Yeah. We had an idea for the brand. We knew what our brand was going to be about, but we struggled with coming up with the right name prior to us opening. But we had I think we had started construction on the brewery. We still didn't have a name, but we had a business plan. We knew what we were going to do, and it was his girlfriend that proposed Common Space, and all of us absolutely loved it. We did a vote, 8-0 it won as the best name. Yeah.
We got the inaugural release of the Simmzy's Beer Club kit. Common Space being our #1 release. Let's talk about the beers we got.
We got a good mix. We've got the first beer that we ever canned, sort of our flagship that we came to the market, which is our Fresh Pils of LA. It's a German-style Pilsner, mostly Hallertau hops, just very traditional, bright, crisp, refreshing beer. We got our flagship West Coast IPA, so Yeasair. It came out of blending some Idaho hops, which was just kind of an idea. So Amarillo and Idaho 7. And then we love that flavor and just kind of developed this into sort of our second named recipe that we did. And then our newest beer, this is Pink and Proud IPA. So this is the newest recipe from our brewer Josie, and we brewed it for the Pink Boots. So it's a local women's brewing collective, and this uses their special hop blend.
So what Simmzy's food item would you say pairs well with these beers? My only joke is another IPA.
Yeah.
Usually pairs well with my first one.
I would do the Pilsner with the fish tacos. 10 out of 10 times. Pilsner with fish tacos.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
I love the burgers, and I think any of these actually pairs really well with a burger. So I think in general, beer and burgers goes really well together, but I think IPAs, Pilsners, beers like that pair excellently.
Awesome. If you were to have a celebrity endorse your brewery, who would it be and why?
Eddie Vedder.
Oh, nice.
Hands down, and the rest, and the other members of Pearl Jam, absolutely. I'm a huge Pearl Jam fan. I'm stuck in the mid '90s or early '90s, and I think honestly, they do so many cool philanthropic things that ideally they're endorsing our beer as part of a partnership with them, or we're doing something really cool.
Okay, Pearl Jam, you hear that? All right. Who does these killer labels for
Not
you?
me.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
exactly.
have a few people. Carissa is our creative director that does a lot of them. Kush's brother has done several.
He did
Also,
this one?
and then we also get. It's really cool. We get people that approach us and want to do a beer label for us, and the beer labels are expensive, and they come to us and they're willing to do it for free. We pay them something because we think it's the right thing to do, but they want to do it just to help build out their portfolio. So we do get some kind of random artists that come in and do some of them, and it's pretty fun to work with them.
Yeah, we want everything to be illustrated and colorful and kind of capture the fun of Common Space. So.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for this time today. It's very excited to have you guys as our inaugural release of our beer club, and cheers to being socially relevant.
Yeah,
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. We really appreciate being a part of it.
Let's go chug some beer.
Nice. Yeah.